Hello class, today we're making pumpkin bread. And for pumpkin bread I need 2 eggs and 1½ cup of sugar, which I already mixed, 1 2/3 cup of flour, a can of pumpkin, this is about a 15-ounce can, a ½ cup of oil, a 1/4 cup of water, baking soda, baking powder, salt, my recipe, a timer, muffin cups that go in my muffin pan, and some spoons, my mixing bowl, mixer, my spices, cloves, nutmeg, and cinnamon, and vanilla. And I have to set my oven to 350. I'm going to add the can of pumpkin. Just scoop out the whole can and put it in. I'm going to mix it. Add the oil, and the water, and a dash of vanilla. Just pour a little vanilla in. Gives it a little extra flavor. And then I will mix that. So that's all of our wet ingredients, and now we mix the rest of the dry ingredients in with the flour. We need 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt. This is 1/2 and 1/4. And a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. That's this one. And a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. And stir it up. And then add it a little bit at a time. And stir it. And this is when I take my spatula and press the sides down to clean them off. And then we're going to measure our spices. I like to do a little less than half a teaspoon of cloves, so they're really strong. A little more than a half a teaspoon of cinnamon because it's really good. Like that. Oh, it smells so good. And a little bit of nutmeg, maybe about a half teaspoon or less. Maybe about that much. I'm going to put that in there. And then we're going to give the whole thing its final mix. And it should look good to go. Yep, that looks just right. Look, that's the muffin mix. So now we're going to pour it into the muffin cups. You fill your muffin cups about 3/4 full, like this. You just pour it in with a spatula. You bake them for about 18 minutes. Until they're cooked through. You fill up the pan. I think I'm going to make a little loaf of bread and these muffins today. So this makes 12 muffins. Okay. So the muffins are full, and I'm going to set my timer to 18 minutes, and then take them out when they're done, and I'll let you know how they come out, okay? Thank you for baking with me. Have a great day. Bye.